Alright, hello everyone. I hope that you are ready for the third or fourth session. So let's go. Today, last time I missed the timer, so last 30 minutes didn't really work last time, so let me see. Okay, so I'll just run this and ready to go today. So before I get have the emulator on, I managed to actually make an HTTP call. So so today I'd like to kind of call the fake address that we will create and get some data, and hopefully also try to change the headlines of the text that we actually put in there, if you remember. So and for that, for the fake call, we're gonna use GitHub. So what's this? Yeah, oh my god, so it seemed that whenever I run everything just becomes super slow, and I thought my computer was, shit. Anyway, so it's lagging and doing all this stuff. That's really not nice. Why is it so big? So both for developers, yeah, GitHub is for developers. We have noticed. Maybe I should close this. But here we go. Okay, what was that? Signing in. Yep. So perfect. So this is where we ended last time. Basically, when I click on refresh, it should make the call, and here you can see that it calls some sort of, I think it calls Google, and therefore we get all these JavaScript stuff that is in there. Okay, so I'm gonna start the timer right now, hopefully. I just handed my master's thesis, by the way, today, so that was exciting. And finally I have time to have some fun over here with you guys. So I'm gonna press play right now, and the 30-minute. Okay, so what we have to do today, I guess. Okay, we're gonna create a new repo. Let's call it news feed API. For now, it's gonna be public. We're gonna initialize it for node, I think. Yep. And we're gonna go for this one. So create a bit. So here we go, we have it. So now I guess we're gonna clone it. So I'm in documents, nice. So we're gonna git clone. Yeah, here we go. And we are in the repo. So for the purpose of this session today, I think it's gonna be, it can be a yeah, it's supposed to be a JSON file, right? So response. So we're gonna go to here, document of documents, news API, and we're gonna create a new text file. It's called response.json. Yes. And I'm gonna add, okay, so this in here. I don't always remember how the JSON looks, but I guess it's just a, so we're gonna go to here, now this, here. We're gonna create a fake JSON response object that will be called from, okay. This is crazy. So I guess it's gonna be like this, and we're gonna have a, can it be an array of, or it's just, okay, so news one, news, can be like that, okay, news one equals today the weather is nice. Yep. Okay, cool. And we're gonna have news 2 as well. And, and news 2 will tell us the sky is blue. Okay, so as you can see, we have, okay, this nice one, so I hope we can just put it in right here, like this, saved. Now we push it. JSON look up. So before we would actually get to what? Before we will get to create like the real server, we're just gonna use this file as a fake response from the server, and we'll test it right now. So it should be it should be on over there, F5. Here we can see the file that we just added and commented, and here we can see our beautiful JSON. So we're gonna go for the raw file. This is gonna be the address that we're gonna call from our Android app right now. So instead of this, we're gonna put this one, and let's play. I'm really curious, I mean, what it actually does over here. So we are deploying. Already? Is it? No? Yeah, this Android today is super slow. I don't understand what's going on here, but okay, we have, okay, so now the moment of truth. I'm clicking on refresh, and here we go. We are having our JSON file over here, but it'd be nice we can actually decode it right now, because it's just a plain string in this response text. So I guess we'll just fast Google if there are any possibilities to Java JSON parse. Okay, so how to parse this? Let's see if there is something. Okay, so there's under JSON parser. Oh no, this seems as JavaScript now. JSON parsing. Okay. Oh, there's an. Okay. Let's try this. So in is basically response. I believe. Yeah. Nice. What is it like? Try catch? Okay. More try of catch, but yeah, fair enough. So, but then we won't be able to do something. But yeah, let's keep it in here. Really. Dot. And what was the method? Get name. Okay. So we're gonna get string. And we know that L1 is news1, so and we're gonna set that to we can let's you know what, let's just have a global variable in here. Why not? I didn't write any Java code for a really long time, so this is gonna be like text. It's been like ages since I really write anything, but it's funny. Okay, so in here we're gonna use this. What? Yes? No? Found object. Do we need to make a string out of it? Will this work? I'm curious. But and let's just sort the text one. Okay. And let's do the same with the one. So yeah, I'm not really commenting what I'm doing, but I guess and hope that you guys can somehow follow. So basically what's happening now is that we are trying to decode this string that we actually get from the GitHub, so we can use it afterwards for setting it into the app itself. So I'm always confused whether when the app is ready. Does it look ready now? We're trying. Okay. So let's. Oh. So it seemed that we actually succeeded in decoding this. So. So I'm gonna make another public void. Make another method. I guess it's gonna be here. Let's do it. Public void set news text. So this method, what actually it will do, and I'm curious if it. Oh my god, I can't write this append. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, nice. So we'll try to do this here. Curious it will work, but okay. Okay. And we're gonna set it to news1 text. News1, news2. No, text, fair, nice. Okay, so when we'll get a response on here, we're just gonna call this method that will update the text that we. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so it seems that the hot update of it is actually quite fast in a way. Okay, so the moment of truth. So when I click on this refresh button, we are actually calling the file that we created before that responds to JSON. Then we decode it over here or parse it, and then we are setting it to the text fields that we created here. So I'm clicking on the refresh, and as you can see, the text beautifully changed to today the weather is nice and the sky is blue. So now we have the fake response from the server, but this was, I guess, the main part of the app. So let's just check the time. Okay, 1 minute. So okay. Would be nice if we have push notification, but that's no, that for now it's okay because we know it's there, right? So again, and it always works. So today I was a bit faster, and we didn't really encounter any problems, but that's rarely happens. So this was nice. Of course, it can be written way more nice, but our goal is to get there as soon as possible, right? So the plan afterwards is actually, or now, we actually need to create a server or some program that will scrape the headlines and provide it back in this beautiful JSON so we can just display it, right? And that I think will be written in Node.js. I've never worked with it. I know, this sound